A case study in Got a Problem, How to Fix It. So you can see over here on the far left how the feathers are much thinner and how they're thicker over here on the right. You see how on the right they flow in and come to a point and they seem to wrap around. These over here somewhat flow in and wrap around, but there's no distinct overlap of points. So what I'm going to do is let the ones on the right stay the way they are, and then take my saw and very gently bring the lines from the left in and make points as if they disappear under the feathers to the right. So they're going to angle down and disappear underneath to the feathers to the right. That's the concept. Now let's see if I can make it work. You be the judge. If you were the artist, how would you have done it? If you were the customer, what would you have expected? Did I improve it? I hope so. I think it's a lot better than the problem I displayed at the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Tell your friends.